Alright, so this is GSS Political Party. So we've got the General Social Survey, and it's done at the University of Chicago, and they summarized the table, and they asked the participants, they asked a total of 1,858 people whether they identify their own ideologies as liberal, moderate, or conservative, and then they also asked if they are Democratic, Republican, or some other political party, and this is the results of the table given right here. Okay, and it says in our first question, it says if a person is selected, chosen randomly from the group, what's the probability that the person is liberal? So what we're asking is, what's the probability that someone is liberal? Okay, and so we are just randomly picking someone randomly from the group. So there's a total of 1,858 total possible people that we can select. So that number is going on the denominator. Okay, this is total people. And of those, how many are liberals, identify themselves as liberals? 530. Okay, so we have 530 people identify themselves as liberal out of a total of 1,858 people. And so the probability of selecting one of those 530 out of the 1858 people, that number is 0.285, 0.285. And then the next part says if one person is chosen randomly from the group, again we're looking at a total of 1858 people, what is the probability that the person is a Democrat? So we're going to ask probability of someone being a Democrat out of the 1858 people. So again, our denominator, we put 1858, but we have a total of 689 people who identify themselves as Democrats. So we're going to do 689 divided by 1858, and we have a total of 0.37, and because of the 8 after the 0, that rounds up to 371. Okay, so the probability of selecting a Democrat at random is going to be 0.371, and the probability of selecting someone who identifies himself or herself as liberal is 0.285.